Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube, and today we're in downtown Philadelphia. When you're in downtown Philadelphia, you cannot come here without coming to the historic Reading Terminal Market. It's right behind me there. We're gonna go inside and see what all they've got. Come on. This place has everything. I can't believe how many different things there are. There's like everything from food to, I'm seeing like craft vendors. I can't believe I don't even know where to start. I came in the front door, I looked to the left, and there's actually a full cafe in there, and we may actually have to go back. It was called the Down Home Diner. It looked really good. We're seeing all kinds of things in here. But look, right here in the middle, this is a full produce stand. This is like the farmer's market. So I just walked by Downtown Cheese. You would not believe, I think I counted 6,846 different kinds of cheeses in their counter there. We may have to go back for a sample. Here at Godshall's Poultry, but shh, the chickens are sleeping. Ladies and gentlemen, I have found it. The world's smallest grocery store, 2 aisles. 1 aisle on the outside, and come look at this in here. One aisle on the inside, and that's it. I guess they have everything you need though. I cannot believe how much stuff is here. We have the falafel, we got cheesesteak, hoagies. All of you bread lovers out there, this is a bread lover's paradise. We have everything from sweetbreads to flatbread pizzas. We have long loaves, we have short loaves, we even have braided loaves. Cannot come to Philly without getting a cheesesteak, so we're gonna get one from here. It says we order under the Liberty Bell, and I see the Liberty Bell over here, so that's where I'm going. Look at this, guys. A corn dog, but it's a mozzarella and fish cake. Oh, that sounds good. Yum. Look at all of this fish. Oh, baby octopus. I've never had that before, but I'd be willing to try it.
Alan.
Hey, over here. Okay, this place is so popular that we had to walk around for probably 10 minutes before we found a table. We finally found one open, so we snagged it. So we can sit down here and I could taste this Philly cheesesteak. All right, here we go. The Philly cheesesteak. Look, it's just packed with meat. Okay, that's a good sign. All the cheese on the bottom. There's the onions through there. All right, let's see. Here we go. First bite. That's a big bite. That's very good though. The cheese is very, very melty. The meat is as juicy as you can think of. You could not get it any juicier. And then the flavor of the onion in there. And what was great is you look, the meat, the onions, and the cheese runs all the way through it. They hit it out of the ballpark for this guy. Yes, yes. Behind me, I've got Japanese lanterns. Over here, I got Central American food. It seems like no matter what part of the world you want to go to and get food from, you can get it here. When you come to Reading Market, Spataro's. Good Philly. We were just about ready to leave. We were on our way out. The door is right there. And I looked to my left and something caught my eye. Pumpkin cheesecake. There's a line to order. Who knows how long this is going to take, but however long it takes, I'm sure it'll be worth it. Look at this. It smells delightful. This is amazing.
Herschel's East Side Deli. Give us a big thumbs up like it really does help the channel. And until next time, we'll see ya.